Hello guys. Uh Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video. I don't know if I'm going to be posting daily. Probably about twice a week. That's if I can remember to do that. But today I'm playing Roblox with my friends. Oh, well, my friend, not friends. You can't hear him. So, yeah. Anyways, we're gonna play Roblox. And, yeah. So, I'm going to open Roblox. And, let me, change my avatar real quick. I wanna do something. I'm just going to take that off, put that on, don't question anything. And we're back. That looks so silly. Okay. Made some quick changes, but yeah. My friend. Oh my god. I don't know if I'm allowed to say this. I don't really have to worry about demonetization, but still want this to be kind of a family friendly thing. But my friend is being a Nico DJ. Looks so silly. Wait, change your name? Your name is still Bluey as a god? Oh my god. I wish there was some way that you could just talk, but there isn't, so... But... Stylish idol. Old school. You can tell by the way I use... Oh, wait, that's copyright. No. You can do it for a quick second as long as you, stop it. Accidentally clicks. Parents' email address. Gmail. Oh, wait, they know your birthday. That's... Oh, wait, no. Right, that's not your birthday. Oh, God. I'm gonna refresh. Oh, oh, look, guys. It's Nico DJ. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Okay, what are we gonna play? Lol. Wait, did you actually end your video? Oh, bro! Just title your video dressing up as Nico DJ. Bruh. My video's already 4 minutes long and I haven't done anything. Oh yeah, imagine if your dad finds out, he's gonna be like, what happened? Did you tell your dad? Oh god. Yeah, so my friend ended his video. Oh yeah, go to his channel. It's called Newbie. He has a here, I'll show you his thing. Yeah, okay. It's this logo down here. That's his thing. And I think I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna put a link in the description of where to get his channel. So, oh God, you know what? This is your face. Search up kitty face.
Nico DJ's face is like I can't get it because it costs a lot. It's a Nico DJ's face is a face for rich people. Happy face. You know that happy face with the blush on the side? That's Nico DJ's face.
Oh.
I can't get it. But at least I have something that looks like Nico DJ.
So, yeah, this is his, channel. Or, not channel. What am I saying? This is his, God, his profile. Gosh, why did that take me forever? Bootleg Tower Battle. What? Why is that one of your favorites? Yeah, they could see. So now, everyone that watches these videos... Okay, sure, let's play Soul Shatters. I think I have enough. Wait, how much does it cost? Oh. You should save it.
There's a person who is Sullivan's sister.
And that's not copyright. No, no, don't you dare. Don't you dare. Guys, my friend is threatening to change from Bluey to Nico DJ. Oh yeah, we did this stupid freaking... Oh God. Please, no. Wait, right. Wait, you changed your actual username to...
Yeah, Nico DJ Real. Not
my actual... I know. I saw that. And showed it to everyone. Like, 2 people. Oh my God. So, I guess I'll join you. Soul Shatters. I know you guys can't hear it, but you can see it at least. I'm gonna be Betty. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
I'm under that bridge.
Okay, I'm gonna get someone that's AFK. I'm just gonna steal their soul. Oh, they're not AFK? What? I completely missed them? How? How? I was stand. Okay, I'm coming. Go into air. Get stunned. Get stunned now. Come back here, Delta Sands. I'm chasing after this Delta Sands. You're gonna run out of stamina. God dang it. Yeah, since Spectrum is actually dog water, my freaking internet goes out. Also, yeah.
Okay, let's see my avatar in game. What game do you want to play? Let's play Funky Friday. Go on my private server.
Okay.
You'll see what monstrosity I've created.
I'm just gonna join you. Beep bop 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 beep bop. Beep. Okay.
Why does this look exactly like?
Oh yeah. They can't hear anything. Well, that sucks.
Oh, so what's the point of playing Funky Friday?
Yeah.
What should I have?
What if I just like edited this video and like put in just put in the music from another YouTube video?
This is gonna be your worst nightmare.
Oh god. Okay. You get to choose the songs and I'm not gonna look at it because it says in the bottom right. So I'm not gonna look. Oh, why do I feel like you're gonna pick expurgation?
You look.
Oh my god. I knew it.
This is terrifying. This is terrifying.
Oh no. So yeah, this is pretty much just pressing arrows. And sorry if the keyboard is so loud. I have a mechanical keyboard.
My keyboard's loud as well.
They're not really satisfied.